This is Red Bull 2025 Summer Edition. Let's talk about it. Red Bull Summer Edition 2025. Yes, everybody knows Red Bull, of course, so let's dive right into it. We have the logo, Red Bull Summer Edition, sugar-free edition, that's good. The flavor down here, white peach. I'm kind of curious about that. Yeah, and this is a German can, and those have a blue pull tab. Yeah, very cool. Nutritionally, it's very minimalistic. Per 100 milliliter, we're looking at 12 kilojoules or 3 kilocalories, 0.1 grams of salt, and 30 milligrams of caffeine. And that's about it. So what does it taste like? Let's find out. Yes. Yeah, I was expecting a little bit more color, but yeah, milky white. Definitely smells peachy. Bottoms up. Yeah, tastes peachy too. I cannot tell the difference between a white peach and a normal peach. Probably the color, but flavor-wise, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, I like this one. It's not too sweet, not too mellow either. Yeah, nice. My cleaning lady, yes, I have a cleaning lady. She also mentioned this one, that is her favorite, and yeah, I can see why. It's nice. Is there anything good, great, bad, or ugly about it? Yeah, definitely. The flavor is really nice. It's not mind-blowing, but it's really nice. I couldn't find anything wrong or bad or ugly about it, so yeah, all in all, yeah, pretty solid peach drink. I'm gonna give it an A rating. It's nice, but it's not mind-blowing, so yeah, pretty good. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like my content, check out my other stuff. Also, watch those videos, maybe consider subscribing, and hope to see you guys for the next one.